Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to listen to YouTube videos, the audio from YouTube videos in the background when you're not actually using the YouTube app. So you can go on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, maybe edit photos on Canva, do whatever, and have the audio playing in the background. I'm using an iPhone for this. So what you want to do is, well, I should say, if you have the YouTube app downloaded on your device, as soon as you swipe off the YouTube video, it'll stop playing. And I'll show you kind of what I mean. But when you go to Safari, and this is just a video on my own channel, I'll let you hear it. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background of any image. It's really quick, easy and free. This is using Pixel Cut on mobile. So you can hear it right there as playing. But when you actually swipe off, Android, you're going to go over to Safari. The video stops playing right there and you can not hear the audio any longer. So how do we solve this? Go back into Safari, whichever video you want to use, start playing, but then you have to hit the full screen button on the bottom right of the video. Right there, it loads it up as a full screen video, and from there, while it's playing, swipe up from the bottom, and then you can go to the top right and swipe down. And there you are in the top right of this section right here, how to remove. It's the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel video. You can press play right there. To start charging, it's going to put a watermark on the image. And you can actually hear the video playing in the background right now. So let's say you wanted to go on to Tools, the App Store. Background Remover. And from there, this is the free image background remover. Go to Upload Image, Photo Library, and then pick whichever image you want to use. So I'm going to use the top left one, Add, and it's basically going to remove the background from this image. As you can see, it's just the main flower in the middle that we wanted. So as you can see, in the background. So yes guys, as you can see, the audio is playing in the background of your iPhone while you're not actually looking at the video, or on the YouTube app or on Safari. It's playing in the background so that you can essentially do whatever you want on the iPhone while the audio is playing. So anyway guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe.